Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to perform demo how we can start our Azure Virtual Machine with the safe mode. So we'll do let's start with the demo. In previous video, we already discussed the theory part. I mean, how we can do, which command we can use, and how we can revert the changes, which prereqs or which what we need to take care. So those things we already discussed in our previous video. So in this video we are going to perform a demo. So let's get started. So this is my Azure portal where I already have a Azure VM. So let me go to the virtual machine here. So this is my app VM01. So what we are going to do, we are going to enable safe mode for this specific Azure virtual machine. So if you can see, first what I will do, I will log in this VM and we will validate few things inside the VM, and then we will enable the safe mode. So I already take a RDP, so let me go to the Azure VM. So this is my Azure VM. In this VM we are going to enable the safe mode. Earlier we discussed about that bc edit command, right? So we will use that command, and I will show you, I mean, how that command we can use, or how we can enable the safe mode with the ms config as well. So let's get started. So let me go to the first thing what I will show you here. So let me go to the ms config. You have to go to the start. You have to type ms config, this command. Once you So you have to go to the start, open the run command, and here you can type ms config. So once you type the ms config, the system configuration will open. So in this option you will understand there are boot options menu, right? So once you click on boot, here you will get advanced options, like boot options. So first, safe, under the safe boot we have a multiple options. First is minimal, and then network as well. So you can choose as per your requirement. So in this today's video we can enable this one. So I'm not going to enable right now. So let's go to the cmd on command prompt, and then we'll come back to the ms config as well. So I'm closing this. Let's open the PowerShell. Yeah. So what we are going to do, we are going to use that command which we already discussed earlier, right? So let's copy that command and paste here. Yeah. So here we go. So if you can see, we have said, I mean, we have right here. So we have a command right now. So we will execute this, and then we'll enable the safe mode. So before that, what I will do, so let me go to the control panel. Under the control panel we will see what kind of programs we have here. You can see we already have a Notepad++. We will try to remove this with the safe mode, and we'll again revert back to the changes. So let me run this command. So you have to run this command with the cmd. Go to the cmd, open command prompt with the run as administrator, and you can run this command. Yeah. So now if you can see, operation completed successfully. So let's go to the ms config once again, and we will see if is anything got changed. So yeah, here we go. So if you can see here, earlier this option was not enabled, now it is enabled. So simply what you can do, you can restart your computer. Yeah. So right now we done with the safe mode, right? And let's see, I mean, how it works. So I will wait 2 minutes to get this VM reboot, and after that we will try to take a RDP, and we'll see whether RDP is working or not. I'm sure RDP will not work, but yeah, let's see. So let me refresh here, and we'll go to the boot diagnostic to see the status. Okay, let's try to, yeah, so if you can see, it's showing that cross mark here. So let me try to do the RDP. So just let me try. So right now RDP is not working. So you enable the safe mode, but after safe mode your VM is not, I mean we're not able to take RDP. Yeah. So what do you need to do? So as we discussed earlier, you can make the changes in a safe mode in a serial console. So let me go to the serial console. So here, yeah, so here you can log in the Azure VM with the serial console. Yeah, so let me, yeah, so here you need to type first CMD, enter. Yeah, so channel is there. Now you can ch space hyphen si, and then you can put any number and the prompt will appear. So you have to enter here. So once you enter, now it's asking you to, here you need a local administrator. Okay, so my local administrator is, I already have, I will put sorry, I will put so here you need to type ch hyphen s hyphen si and then number, sorry, you have to type cmd, so my typo, cmd, then ch hyphen si, then put number, then it will prompt your username password. So here you need to your local administrator, so I will use Azure admin. Yeah, in domain you can put your Azure VM name. So let me put my Azure VM name here, appvm01, and then you can enter your local administrator password. So once you enter, oh, here you can see now you already logged in with the serial console. It means RDP is failed, but you are able to log in with the serial console. So here you can check the host name as the app1. So what you can do here, now let's say if you want to make some registry changes or you want to uninstall something like, let's say Notepad, right? So let me try to do some test here. So earlier I show you that uh, install we already install the notepad plus plus, right? So now I am in PowerShell, so I will use one PowerShell command which can help me to uninstall the, so what we will do here, we will uninstall the notepad plus plus, right? So before doing that, okay, we'll try to use one of the command which can help us to the, so we will use first what we will do, we will use this command. So now what it will do, it will enable the MSI, I mean it will usually, safe in a safe mode MSI is always in disable by default. So we enable this. Okay, so right now, I mean we're not able to start. So we have done the this one. So let's try to uninstall the application. So let me try to run this. Okay, so let's do one thing. So I mean let's say if we want to validate whether we already log in with the safe mode or not. Okay, so let's okay, now let's say if we want to validate, so let's try to use our, yeah, so if you can see now here, when we run this bc I mean bcd edit, we got the details. So if you can see here, so save boot this option, sorry, so if you can see here, save boot is the minimum. It means we are, we are with the save mode option. So now if you want to revert the changes, if you want to log in the VM with the normal, how you will revert the changes, right? So let's say, so so to revert the changes, let's try, I mean what we need to do, we need to remove the our delete same value. We will delete first the changes what we have done. So we'll copy this cmd and we will run into the save mode. Yeah, so now it can see the operation completed successfully. Now you can reboot your server. Earlier we were not able to take RDP, right? So let's see after this changes how it will behave. Yeah, so now we have rebooted the server. So we'll wait for a few minutes and then we'll try to take RDP. So let me go to here. Let's wait for a few minutes. So let's refresh here. Let me go to the VM. So if you can see, now let's try to take a RDP. Let me copy this, go to the MSTSC and you can do this. Yeah, so earlier this RDP was not working, now it is giving the password window, right? So let me put the password. Sorry, my bad. So here we are successfully logged in with the server. So let's now we have successfully logged in the server. So let's try to see, if that Notepad plus plus which earlier we installed, right? So let me go to the control panel, go to the programs, go to the programs and features. Yeah, so if you can see, we have successfully removed Notepad plus plus with the save mode. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.